What is good, everybody on YouTube? I know it is your boy Xavier Kickz come back today with another custom video. By reading the title, today we're customizing an AirPod charging case. I got a couple ideas in mind, but hopefully I do not mess it up. Oh, wait. I gotta show y'all this. So your boy has stepped up and bought an airbrush compressor. So that means the new customs are gonna be fire, gonna be even dope. With all that being said, let's get to the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Let's go! Okay, you guys, here we have it. The black looks good on there already. Make sure you enter in the giveaway. The giveaway video will be right here, so you can win a free pair of customs from me. It could be Hydro Dip Air Force Ones, or it could be cartoon Air Force One. Xavier Kickz, we sound on a good one. Peace.